I have an anorak that does this. Good morning from Mr. John vaping behind me, from my aunt's beautiful English country garden behind me. New day, and we are off to Bristol now to go check out the IKEA. My aunt and I went last time and it was so much fun, and Aljon was so bleak that he didn't get to see it because you don't get IKEA in South Africa, so it's always a bit of fun when we come and check out first world brands. We're going to go down the road and have a day out at IKEA and then meet up with my cousins for lunch. Hello from England. £1.25. The truth is we're both super exhausted. My legs are so heavy at the moment, like I can't get our spring back. Welcome to the town of Gloucester. We are coming to have lunch with my cousin and his twin boys and his daughter and his wife. Yeah, good to be back and to see the cathedral. How beautiful. Actually, maybe we could drive past a little later on and see it a bit closer because gosh, it looks so beautiful from here. Country house. We just came home after the IKEA and after lunch and rested a little bit because it was, sure, we've just been so tired. We have to get up super early tomorrow morning at like 4 AM so we can go to the airport in Bristol to fly to Dublin. It's going to be another early day with a lot of exciting activities. Catch you guys in the morning. Bye for now.